Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to do two problems from the homework. So here we got number 12, and they're asking you to differentiate these functions. Now, this one, they deliberately tell you, it says use logarithmic differentiation. So we're going to do that. Differentiation for this one, but this one we could differentiate just with chain rule. So h prime of x is equal to this whole thing on the inside functions as your u, and you get 1 over, because the derivative of ln of u is 1 over u, x plus the square root of x squared minus 1 times the derivative of that u. So take your time, find the derivative of this. It's going to be 1 plus, and now you got to do chain rule again on this right here. This is to the 1/2. So it's going to come down. It's going to be 1/2 times x squared minus 1, and I put too few parentheses, so let's go back. Let's make this more clear. So let's not close it off yet. Yep. Okay, so again, I'm looking for the derivative of this inside piece. So it's going to be 1 plus the derivative of this. This is the square root of x squared minus 1, which is the same thing as x squared minus 1 to the 1/2. And the derivative of that is, if you bring down the 1/2, you get x squared minus 1 to the negative half times the derivative of the inside, which is 2x. And then you close it off again. And now these twos cancel, just do a little bit of simplification, and I have h prime of x as this. There might be some nice algebra that I could do. 1 plus x to the minus 1 to the negative 1/2. Okay, we could leave it like this. That's h prime of x. Now for the other one, they deliberately tell you how they want you to do this, which is with logarithmic differentiation. So you first start off by taking ln of both sides. And then with your rules of log, the exponent can come down to the front. So you're going to get cosine x ln of x on the right hand side and ln of y. Now you implicit differentiate both sides. So you're going to get 1 over y times y prime by chain rule is equal to, here you got to do product rule. The derivative of cosine is negative sine times the other function is just ln of x, plus the derivative of ln x is 1 over x times cosine x. And then, now that you have that, you solve for y prime. You get y prime is equal to y times negative sine x ln x plus cosine x over x. And then y from the beginning is this right here. So I write that instead. X cosine x negative sine x ln x plus cosine x over x. And this is y prime. Now, I would do this one again because it was easy to make a mistake and I went super fast. So maybe I made a mistake there, I would do it again.